Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Valorant has encountered a connection error and van -81 error, and I will show you guys the effective solution to fix this error. And first thing you need to do is right click on your taskbar and open up your task manager. And now here you have to just close the riot client. So you have to just look for the riot client 32-bit and just right click on it and completely end task. So you have to just completely close the Valorant and also the Riot client. And after this, you have to go to the Windows search, and here you can just type the control panel and now open that. So first thing we are going to do is just uninstalling the Vanguard and select its category and then click on the uninstall a program. Now here you have to just search for the Riot Vanguard. By uninstalling the Riot Vanguard will fix your problem because this is effective solution. So when you find the Riot Vanguard, you have to right click on it, click on the uninstall, click on the yes option, and it will take some time to uninstall from your PC. So guys, after it uninstall, go to the Windows search and type here the Valorant and now open it. And once you open your Valorant, here you will see the option to update it and install Vanguard option. So here you just need to click on the update option, then it will start reinstalling the Vanguard, Riot Vanguard, and this will take some time. And after it will be completely downloaded and installed, you have to go to the Windows search and type here the services and now open it. And now here you have to just search for the VGC service, and when you find it, and let's say if this is the VGC service, then you need to just right click on it, go to its properties and choose a startup type to automatic. The VGC service will only show when you install the Riot Vanguard. And after is setting start to the automatic, you have to just restart your PC, and after the restart your problem is fixed. And guys, this is how you can fix this error. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.